number 1. Say that you have 3 minus sine x over cosine x dx. How we solve this problem? You'll see that substitution is not working exactly on this, but we could do something like this. Split it. 3 over cosine x minus sine x over cosine x dx. We can split like this. So then this one is like 1 over cosine is secant x dx. You can split it to integral. Sine x over cosine x dx. Well, this one goes with the integration by substitution, the second one. In this case, if you say u equals cosine x, then du will be negative sine x dx. That exactly you can see there. So with the substitution, this one will work. What happens on this? Secant x, these you write like this, secant x and then secant x plus tangent x divided by secant x plus tangent x, like that. So you need to multiply with this one, like this, secant x plus tan x. Yeah, you know why? And then integration. So when you do that, this one will come out like natural log of secant x plus tan x. This is the trick actually. You multiply numerator denominator by secant x plus tan x. The reason is very simple. When you say u equals secant x plus tan x, then the derivative of secant x will be secant x tan x, and derivative will be of tan x will be secant squared x. That exactly you see here, secant squared x, secant x tan x. That is the reason why we multiply numerator denominator by this. So then that one will give me now 3 natural log of secant x plus tan x minus, now this one is u, so you can say plus integration 1 over u du, and that goes to natural log of x. So natural log of x, u is my cosine x. 3 natural log of secant x plus tan x plus natural log of cosine x plus integral constant. Yeah, that is the solution for this problem. Okay, say that you have 3 minus sine x in the denominator and cosine x in the numerator. In this case, if you just say u equals 3 minus sine x, you are done. Why? The reason is simple. Du is minus cosine x dx. So then I'm getting negative integral 1 over u du. Do you see that? So u substitution works, because when I take my denominator, I get everything back, what is remaining. So then cosine x dx will be negative du and 1 over u. So that gives you natural log of u plus a constant. Now in this case, we have to use absolute value sign. Careful with this. And u is 3 minus sine x. So you see, the problem will tell you what to apply. When we just flip it, 3 minus sine x over cosine x, exact substitution immediately doesn't work. So you have to first split and then take term by term. That is exactly the idea.